Hey guys, it's Long's Planet again, and this is an unboxing video today. So this was from eBay, and yeah, that's pretty much it before I unbox it. Okay, let's unbox it. Camera rolling. And look at this. Sweet. Yes, just what I wanted. This is a Giganotosaurus carolini from Safari Limited. It's right here. There's my grandma in the background. Okay, look. This is awesome. What I wanted. So I have to say thanks to my mom. Hope you guys have a good new year. Happy New Year, guys. And that's pretty much it. Before I leave, I want to tell you something about this Giganotosaurus. One. This guy grew up to 47 feet long and weighed at least 6 to 8 tons. And number 2, second largest predator in the world. Second largest meat-eating dinosaur in the world. And finally, this was bigger than T-Rex. Had a bigger head, but weaker bite force. And also, it was longer than T-Rex and heavier. But T-Rex had stronger arms, but Giganotosaurus was more agile and was faster. I like how they make the base. Look. And then it's standing on the base. Look at all those razor sharp teeth. It's got about probably 50 of them. And it has good eyesight too. Well, this is all I have to say. Bye, guys.